Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Pad Air and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically we have to enter the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the buttons, then just tap on the button with, I believe, 3 bars icon or the square icon, but I'm almost sure that it is a 3 bars icon and you will enter the recents. If you've got the gestures, all you have to do is to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and this should be a long motion, and hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And as you can see, after releasing, you can check the recents. If you want to, you can close only one of it or 2 of them, just find it and swipe it up just like that. However, if you've got a lot of apps opened and you just want to close all of them, tap on close all. We've got the information that our system is in the optimal condition. We can of course enter it to check. And here we've got no recent tasks, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your OPPO Pad Air. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.